Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal summary to your account on the Seek Jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the profile button down below, which is the last option. And after that you should tap on the personal summary section at the top of the screen. Click on add summary, and after that you should type in your personal summary to your profile as a way to introduce who you are. As you can see, you have 700 characters, so start typing in your summary. And after you are done with it, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So here you can see how it looks like, and if you want to edit it, tap on the edit button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.